Now I am going to cover how to use the usage summary and the transaction audit log for LC phone. First, go to gohighlevel account, then click settings. Next, click billing. Here you can see the billing dashboard. Then click wallet and the transaction link. Just scroll down to see the summary. And click detailed transaction. Here you can see the transaction list. Next, click Audit Log link. Here you can see the Audit Log details. Audit log list. If you want, you can view. If you want, you can view the audit log detail also here. Just click view detail. This is the way you can use the usage summary and the transaction audit logs for LC phone. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.